This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's after 10:30. We're very late. September 3rd, right? Labor Day weekend's over. I tried to upload all my videos yesterday. I had to do it really quickly. Still took a long time. I'm not sure if Seymour's going to come because we're so late. But our crows are here and a little bit of pigeons are here. I guess I'll start with the pigeons. Let me get there. This is, oh, I got it back there. Okay, leave it like that. Need to do some major shopping today. I don't know, but there's something wrong with Millie. He seems to have lost some of his memory. Although I didn't witness a seizure yesterday, I did not. But I did find him. Sprawled out on the floor of my bedroom. He was just laying there, which is something really unusual. So I'm not sure. He could have had a mini stroke. He's very weak today. He was weak yesterday. And I noticed right away that something just wasn't right about him. He was also very fidgety. He actually started being very fidgety on Sunday. He really was pacing for hours. There's something that was wrong then. And I anticipated a seizure, but I did not witness one. That doesn't mean he didn't have one. I mean, there was no blood, there was nothing. You know, a lot of times he bites himself in his mouth when he has a seizure. But how do I know it wasn't a small stroke, a mini stroke? He's very weak. He doesn't walk quite right. He's a little bit in his hind legs, weakness that he never had before. And yeah. And he's crying a lot. He just cries for no reason. Yeah. I can't even talk about it because it's too upsetting. So, Thursday, we head off to the vet. And I left him resting quietly on my bed. And somehow he loves Bryant's room and his normal routine. There's nothing normal about his routine this morning. And he also was not normal last night. So I'll have to just wait and see what happens. It's going to be very hot again today. 28 or 29 Celsius, close to 30. We did get a little shower yesterday. Nothing really disgusting. Although they say rain is coming. We'll see about that. Looks pretty clear to me today. But things can change very quickly. So, yeah. I just hope when I get back home that Miele will be okay. So I'm going to hurry up, do my shopping, and get home as soon as possible. Okay? He really fought getting his food this morning. He's been very itchy and irritable. So we'll have to see what happens. The birdies have a treat. There we go. Someone who hates the birds. There we go. That was a woman in that car, by the way, in that blue station wagon. Shook her head, gave me the sign that says you're crazy, that sort of thing. So, we'll, unfortunate also the hateful people just came out. I mean, really, break time was at 10 o'clock, and it's 40 minutes after break time, and they're out again. Really, when they smoke, they're really out every half hour to 40 minutes. They're out there again, having to take a smoke. I know someone in IT in California who lost 3 jobs because of that. It just doesn't work. It would not work in California. They would not be able to take those breaks to go out and smoke. It's not legal. So he got fired. Eventually he had to work in a supermarket. He was making $150 an hour, and then he went down to making $12 an hour because he couldn't keep a job in IT because he smoked. Chain smoker. This little crow doing here? He's hopping around. Hope he's okay. Look how he hops. Stay of the crows. There are no other birds here. Up, up. What do I see in the air here? What do I see? I see 2 silver gulls. 3 silver gulls. They may come down. I'm going to get off the field now. So, we got our crows. We'll see if they come down. Not as many crows as we normally have, but it is warm. So, don't see any sparrows today. Don't know what happened there, but anyway, put these back in here. Birds are going to have some great treats. Those go for later. And you see they got some walnuts. They got some. Friend just dropped them off. Thank you so much, my dearest friend, for supporting the birds. It's been supporting them for what, a year and a half. It's just wonderful. Couldn't do it without you. Couldn't do it without all your guys' support. Okay? Your wonderful stories and valuable insight. Thank you so much. Love your birds. Stay safe. Enjoy the day wherever you are. Look at this little bird hopping. I hope he can fly. He's hopping an awful lot. I hope he can fly. Anyway, as long as he can fly, he's okay. Do what you can for our birds, and I'm just watching this little crow here. He's hiding his food. Look how he's hopping. We'll stay and watch him for a minute. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Hopefully that little bird can fly. I think I just saw him fly up in the air, but not for very long. I don't know if he hurt himself or he's ingested some poison. Don't know. But he is going after the food. But he's burying it all over the place instead of eating it. So it's usually not a good sign when they're sick, they do bury it. They do take food, but they don't eat it. They just store it away. There he goes. Of course, Georg Schmidt's not here today. Bird poisoner from shopping center. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye on this little bird for a minute. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Over now.